G'day folks, how's it going? Well, with all this business of the you know what, which as a content provider I'm not allowed to talk about, but anyway, with regard to that and all the business that's going on at the moment, I thought, bugger this, I can't get away for a camp. It's still bloody raining outside, good old North Queensland weather. So I set my camp up in the shed. And you know what? If we do end up going into a lockdown or anything like that, this is a little tip for all you parents out there. Set up your little tent in the house, in the shed, in the kids' bedroom, and you're in lockdown for a couple of weeks or whatever, or who knows how long. Make it fun. And anyway, what I was thinking is you can practice your motorcycle camp cooking videos at home. So I'm going to keep doing me videos at home, practicing them here, and then we'll know all about it for when we actually get a chance to go camping. Alright, let's get stuck in. Rightio, let's get stuck into this. Okay, today's camping cooking video is on apple cinnamon donuts that you can make when you're out camping. Alright, now I don't have all my bloody camping, like my little plastic box that holds the egg, but you guys know all about that. So let's just get stuck in and make this recipe. Apple cinnamon donuts. So, for starters, 1 egg. Chuck him in. Next thing, milk. If you're out on the bike, you'd have a little 250ml popper style long life milk. I'm just at home, so I'm practicing with this. So about the same amount of milk as the volume of egg, roughly, okay? Because you're only doing, let's say that's enough to do 2, like 1 for you and 1 for your mate, or 1 for your missus or your mister, whatever. Right, so a little bit of milk, 1 egg. Here's your sugar. Let's call that 1 teaspoon of sugar. While we got the sugar open, get the cinnamon. Now, before you go camping, mix yourself up a little bit of cinnamon sugar, like so. And to mix that up without getting it on your hands, chuck the lid on, shake him up. And there you have cinnamon sugar. Right, so egg, milk, sugar. Chuck a bit of cinnamon in. And that's it. That's all you need for your batter. Stir him up. Basically very much like a sweetened French toast sort of mixture. Right, that's mixed up. Now, let's get the cooker going. Let's get him warming up. See, I got me a little heat spreader doohickey. Oh, every time I burn me bloody hairs on my hand. Alright, so as we know, this is pretty strong. So you turn him right down but not off. Pop your pan on. In with a little bit of butter. You can use butter or oil, up to you. I personally reckon butter tastes better. So while that's heating up, bloody hell, it's already hot. I'll see if I can turn this down again more. Here we go, nice and low. Let's leave that there for now. Right, so got your mixture. Grab your bread. Cut your crust off the bread. Don't cut too much off. I've got the shed shut today and I can feel the heat coming off that. There's a little pro tip. If you're in the bloody snow, put that, or don't put it in the tent. Just get bloody close to it, it'll warm you up. Rightio. So, there's your bread. I've already taken the lid off the apple. Chuck in, oh, there's my spoon. Forgot my spoon, doesn't matter. Chuck in some apple. This is, that'll do, Amona pie fruit apple slices. So just pie apple, diced apple, whatever you use. Now, get some of your cinnamon sugar, pie apple, cinnamon sugar. Mix the two together. So, apple, sugar, cinnamon. See how it breaks down a bit? That's good. Now, get a little bit of this apple mix. Plonk it right there on your piece of bread. Get your second piece of bread. Plonk it on top. Now, the trick is you want to pinch the sides. Now, you can go around it by hand. Actually, I will. That's the easiest way. Just pinch the edges. And what do you know? It looks a little bit decorative. This is a good way when you get to camp. One of you is setting up the tent, the other one's making coffee. At least it'd probably say, I'll set up the tent, Trev, you go and make the coffee and make me a cinnamon donut. Right, there you go. Apple cinnamon in the bread. Egg mix here. Plonk it in the egg mix. Give you a close up of what that looks like. Apple cinnamon. Now, just whiz it around a bit. Whiz it around. Turn him over gently. And you get that nice soggy sweet cinnamon bread business. Now you got your beautiful butter bubbling there, sizzling away. And now in she goes into the pan. Oh yeah. Big pan like that, you get two in there. One for you and your missus. And where's my towel? I'm getting a towel. If you're worried about that getting too hot, just pull it off. Swizzle it around. Put him back on a bit. Right. Now, if you're clever, you would have boiled your water and had your coffee sitting here, because this doesn't take that long to cook. So sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. And get your plate ready. Let's turn him over. Oh yeah. So yeah guys, my theory is, you know, during this time when you might not be able to go camping, or, you know, a lot of stuff's going on, practice your motorcycle camp cooking at home. Do it with the kids. Keep them busy, keep them happy. Alright. This non-stick pan's a corker. Just swizzles around. I'll get back to you in a couple of minutes when this is cooked. Rightio guys, it's been like 2 or 3 minutes. I reckon we're good. Let's turn this gas off. Get him out of the way. We'll chuck him on the plate and I'll show you what to do next. Rightio, there she is. Now the next thing you do, to make it more like a sweet donut is on with some cinnamon sugar. Turn him over. This reminds me of the banana fritters my mum used to make. It sort of smells the same. Woo! Brings back some good memories. Wrong lid, Trev. Alright. This is going to be really hot. I'll get back to you in 2 minutes when it's not too hot. Okay guys, I reckon she's cooled off. I'll give you a bit of a close-up. Apple cinnamon donut. Let's do a little cut through the center so you can get an idea. A little bit of a close-up. Look at that, you can see the apple in there. Hot, juicy, delicious apple. Alrighty, who wouldn't want to eat this when you're camping, hey? Woo! Have this with a coffee, afternoon tea, smoko, breakfast, dinner, whatever. That's delicious. Tell you what, it does taste a lot like my mum's old banana fritters. Obviously with apple instead of banana. Holy moly. That is yum. That's like something you'd get in a fancy bloody coffee shop or something. Oh man. Holy dooly. That is really yummy. Rightio guys. Well, that's just a quick recipe. So, what are the words I'm looking for? Hang in there. Don't let this, you know what, get you down. Don't let any bullshit on Facebook and all that. Don't let any of that distorted crap scare you, because just listen to the proper news stuff. And I'll keep making these videos in the shed, and we'll soldier on. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to eat the rest of this now. And don't forget to subscribe. We're nearly at 1,000 subs now. Once we hit 1,000 subs, I can get monetized and start putting a bit of money back into the channel. You know, doing a few extra cool things. Alright guys, catch us on the next one. Ta-da! Oh my god. You guys still here? This happens every time. See you later.